Isaiah 14, verse 1 and 2 is an eschatological prophecy, right? This pertains to end time prophecy. Bible scholars use Isaiah 14, 1 and 2 to say that the Israelites had captives during the time of the Babylonians. But there's a problem here. So we're going to read Isaiah 14, 1 and 2. Then we're going to go into the book of Nehemiah. For the Lord will have mercy on Jacob and will yet choose Israel and set them in their own land. And the strangers shall be joined with them. These strangers are non-Israelites. And they shall cleave to the house of Jacob. And the people shall take them and bring them to their place. And the house of Israel shall possess them, shall possess the heathen in the land of the Lord for servants and handmaids. And this also reminds me of Leviticus chapter 25. Israelites can own slaves. So in the kingdom we will own slaves. And they shall take them captives, whose captives they were. And they shall rule over their oppressors. All right, so now, this was during the time of, scholars claim during the time of the Babylonians that this all happened. So, let's go to Nehemiah. Let's fast forward maybe, let me see, 539 BC. Babylon was taken down by the Persians. The Persians conquered Babylon. They took Israelites as captives, although they let us return back into the land. It doesn't mean we were not slaves, because this is what Nehemiah says in Nehemiah 9 and 36. So now, today, we are slaves in the land of plenty that you gave our ancestors for their enjoyment. We are slaves here in this good land. That land was Israel. So this was during the time of the Persian Empire. The Jews, really was mainly Benjamin, Levi, and Judah, were slaves to the Persian Empire. So don't let these damn Bible scholars fool you or trip you up. That's why you have to study and also learn timeline. That's how you get a good understanding of history and what was happening during history, before and after. Because you had a guy like Vocab Malone says that the Edomites were exterminated during the time of the Nabateans, but yet if you fast forward, he talks about the 1st century AD in Christ, right? Agrippa, the Edomite, saying could be saved. But if they were exterminated, why would you try to save Edomites during the 1st century AD if they were exterminated? That means they still exist and they're